Let's just start off with what is the YETI project exactly?
Yes, YETI, Y-E-T-I, is a very handy acronym for Yacht Environmental Transparency Index. And the original concept was initiated by Bram Jongepier, who's a design specialist at the shipyard here in the Netherlands. But it's since grown into a joint industry venture, which is overseen by Water Revolution Foundation. And the first phase of the initiative has been to focus on establishing an average operational profile for super yachts. And why are they doing that? Because they want it to serve as a yardstick to calculate a sustainability score or index based on a wide range of parameters, 80 or more different parameters, from engine efficiency to shore power consumption or the use of battery banks to waste heat recovery, for example.
And what would be the most important aim?
Well, the ultimate aim is actually much more ambitious, because what they want to do with all this data is provide the industry with a tool for comparing two or more completely different super yachts in terms of their environmental credentials or impact, and to establish a verifiable unit of what you can probably call luxury, so that super yacht owners can be offered exactly the same quality onboard experience, but perhaps using fewer resources or indeed greener technologies.
Yeah, right. Well, let me go to you, Elisabetta, because at the Water Revolution Foundation, you have been completely involved in this whole project. What was the thing that made you decide to go further and dive deeper into the first ideas of Bram Jongepier and develop YETI?
There are multiple elements and reasons why we started this adventure with Bram, that I would take also the opportunity to thank. And yes, I think that one of the most important is the natural alignment with what the foundation, the Water Revolution Foundation, has already created. And I'm referring to yachts, so the yacht assessment tool, which is another tool that is based on environmental data, whose development is based on extensive work of Viene Leuteri, who is the initiator of Water Revolution Foundation. So yacht, both the tools, Yacht and YETI, they are based on the same methodological framework in order to get this environmental data. And this framework is called LCA, Life Cycle Assessment. So this methodology helps to take into consideration many aspects, thanks to which we can calculate the whole life cycle of any material that we include in our study.
Does it also mean that you're going to create like a passport of materials and so? Would that be also in it?
Yeah, we are creating a data set by asking all this information, and this data set will help us to create also benchmark. So because for instance, let's make a very clear and also very practical, right? If we take on board diesel, in our calculation, we are taking into consideration not only the combustion of diesel, so the impacts that are associated with this, but also the impacts that are associated with the raw material extraction of it and the supply chain. And obviously,
you're going from the source, as to say.
Exactly, we are taking into consideration everything, and because we think as foundation that is the only way to give inform, we can say, data to the company and to the whole industry, to the all stakeholders of the industry, and only in this way they can take accurate choices.